Thank you for being here with us today. It's a great honor to welcome you to our facility.
It is a great pleasure for me to join you today to introduce the Anchor Australia Thailand Investment Showcase, celebrating 20 years of Anchor's successful operation in Thailand.
I would like to extend my warmest congratulations on behalf of the Ministry of Foreign Affairs of Thailand to Anchor on this remarkable milestone.
I think today is not just a business milestone. It's also a story of our partnership, vision, and shared success. It's a story of the journey of Anchor together with Thailand.
As I was asked this morning, why Thailand? Our answer was simple. The unique blend of skilled talent, passionate people, strategic location, and a very supportive government made it really an obvious choice for Anchor to invest in Thailand.
I know Anchor well. In fact, they were one of the first factories I visited in 2022, not long after I arrived, and Nikki and Unisa were so proud of the work that was done here. It was just an all-round great story, and it's been lovely to be part of seeing Anchor reach its 20-year milestone.
First of all, I would like to thank you, Ms. Johanna, for selecting industrial estate for investing in Thailand in industrial estate.
Obviously, I know of Anchor through my relationship with Auscham, but fantastic to see such high-tech Australian products in Thailand, and a great opportunity to celebrate another Australian business's success.
Anchor's example of doing beautiful R&D and manufacturing in Melbourne, along with their facility here in Rayong and other parts of the world, is a really great example of that Australian investment overseas and how it can benefit your business by being in other countries.
This is the first time I've been to Anchor. I've been incredibly impressed, not just by the organisation, but by the technology. I was just super impressed by the technology and what you guys are building here, but more so the training program that you guys have built, the skills development here into Thailand, getting the capabilities up. I just thought it was incredible.
I've actually been really impressed, creating like a fantastic event space, the calibre of the people that have attended as attendees, and then also the calibre of the people who spoke.
Some of my team members have been with us for 20 years. Some of my team members have been here for 15, 10. Our team are really, really loyal. Our attrition rate's really low. It's less than 1%. Time and time again, they're all talking about, oh, this is my family, this is my home, I love this company, and that is, something that I love about this country and Anchor and AMS in particular.
Every staff in Thailand, whatever that we do, whatever that we facing in a difficult time, good time, we enjoy, we fight, we build everything together. We part of the global, the families, as one family, as one Anchor.
Over the past 2 decades, Anchor Thailand has grown into a world-class manufacturing and engineering hub, producing machines that are exported from here into the entire world. This has not only built strong local partnerships, but also contributed to Thailand's economy and industrial ecosystem. Here's the 20 years of Anchor in Thailand, and another 20, 30 or 50 years in the future for the next chapter of innovation, collaboration and shared success. Thank you.